Hi there guys, and welcome back to Easy Cooking the New Zealand Way. Now this is going to be a update of where this channel is heading. Obviously it's been neglected in the past. The last recipe I posted up is about 6 years ago. Obviously done some shorts in between then and now, but it's kind of been left to its own devices. And hey, you know, there's a few subscribers there. I know a lot of you guys have subscribed to the channel for the recipes, and so the recipes are never going to leave. They're there for life. But we are on a new journey. It does involve food. Obviously, look, I'm in a food trailer that we've had for some time, and this is just a quick introduction to where this channel's going. So it's going to be rebranded to the trailer, and the trailer's called Jeff's Choice. Possibly recipes won't come back. The old ones will stay, but there won't be any new ones. It'll be the story and the life of a food trailer owner, I guess. The ups, the downs. We'll do some live videos during shifts. We'll do some shorts. We do have a Facebook page already. Like I say, we've had the trailer for some time. We've operated it out of a market once a week here in New Plymouth for a couple of years, and now we've just gone in full time, operate it from home, and we're on Deliver Easy. So if you want to follow us along on Facebook, the QR code up in this corner here, maybe, hopefully. If it's there, I managed to get it up there in editing. If it's not there, sorry. But yeah, so that's basically it. So if you subscribed for the recipe videos and you're looking forward for more, even though the last one was 6 years ago, I fully understand if you unsubscribe. But if you want to stick along for the ride, stick along for the ride. Be much appreciated, because it is the subscribers that kind of keep us going. But also to the new ones, if new ones are coming on board, thank you, we appreciate it, and we'll join in the fun together. So keep posted for some new content involving the food trailer, Jeff's Choice. Thank you.